So CSS unit series, relative length units, overview and EM units. So this is day 17. Hello web developers, Krishna Sharma here from Credit and welcome to day 17 of our CSS unit series. Today we are delving into the dynamic world of relative length units, starting with the versatile EM unit. Subscribe if you are ready to make your design responsive and scalable. EM units are very responsible for your responsive and scalable designs. So here we have introduction to relative length units. Relative length units adapt to different screens, making them ideal for responsive design. Today we will focus on the EM unit A, unit relative to the font size of its closest parent or element itself. So EM unit, you can use EM in your HTML or CSS. Unit overview. The EM unit is like a chameleon, adapting its size based on the font size of its parent, or you can say nearest parent. Let's see this in action. So here we have this CSS example. Parent container, this font size pixel and scalable text with EM units. So this pixel unit are the absolute unit, which is not changeable on your parent's length, but this scalable text will change on their parent. So let's make index.html and style.css. So here if I want to write relative units part 1. So if I write here like absolute text, and here if I write like lorem 10 and give some style to it using style tag. So for class selecting we use dot and write the class name. So our class name is absolute text. So if I give font size 30 pixels, so if I show you this, so font size 30 pixel will not change on the resizing this page. So if I resize this, so text is not changed, just wrapping, you can see just wrapping. Okay, I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next. So here we have next container for relative text. Here if I give lorem 330 and give some style to it, relative text, and if I give font size in the EM like if I give 12 EM, and you can see the text size is very large. So you can see here. So if I paste this contain element into this text, which font size is absolute text, which is 30 pixel. So here relative text is 12 em. So this is depending on parent tag. You can see here credit is large than hits. So both the text size is same, but in this the text size is large. So if I change the property like if I give 2 em, so both the text will with different font size. You can see because em is taking the font size from their parent. This is relative on the parent tag. So here this div parent is body tag, and here the div parent is this div absolute text. I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next. Imagine you have a blog with comments with EM units. You can scale the comment text relative to the blog post font size. So this is your practice. You have to practice this. This is like your exercise. So if you are ready to harness the power of the EM unit, hit like and share your thought in the comment. Subscribe for more daily coding adventure. Tomorrow we will explore the REM and percentage. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining me on day 17. I'm Krishna Sharma from Credit signing off. Let's make our design dynamic with relative length units.